Lights plays in the crowd.
Light.
Good Lord. Big up
Cross.
People.
Melodance.
Yes.
It thing going good.
By a show of hands and not nice.
Big up Johnson.
If you believe Landmine should go to dub for dub, 2 hands in the air, please. I say if you go?
No, no. If you have to go.
Oh, if you have to go home?
Yeah,
all
put
right.
the
What
2
you
hands
know?
in the air.
What you know? Landmine play first. All who say Landmine to go home, 2 hands in the air.
Alright. Watch what go on, people. Alright.
Alright, put them down, put them down. Let's see. Let's see a few people. Give thanks. Who plays second? Sound Dallaz.
Sound Dallaz.
Sound Dallaz play second. All who say Sound Dallaz will go home, 2 hands in the air.
Alright.
Hold on. Just up.
Alright.
Few people in, few people in. Put on your hand. 12 gauge play third, right? Boom. 12 gauge. All who say 12 gauge will go home, 2 hands in the air.
Alright, 12 days, you're gone.
Oh God.
Oh,
One
Lord.
sound name for Carl.
But
Hold on.
they beat everybody so far.
The fourth sound, number 4, is Jugglaz. You know yourself, Junior Mafia.
Jugglaz.
All who say Jugglaz will go home, 2 hands in the air.
Alright, Jugglaz stay.
Nobody say nothing.
Alright, so Jugglaz stay. Let's do over now. Jugglaz stay.
You have done well, Cal.
Jugglaz stay. Jugglaz is stay. Whoever Jugglaz is stay.
Alright. So, how the thing look? Who? 2 sound
It's
go.
sticky. So, the next 3 sound we have to do it again between.
Jugglaz a stay.
Jugglaz stay.
How do know text 2 next sound go home?
So let's do it over with the next 3.
Number 1. Jugglaz a stay. Start over. Number 1.
Landmine.
All who say Landmine for go home, 2 hands in the air.
Alright.
Put them down.
Alright.
Number 2. After them, who play? Sound Dallaz.
Sound Dallaz.
All who say Sound Dallaz for go home, 2 hands in the air.
Alright. You know?
Number 3. Who next? 12 gauge.
Yeah.
12 gauge. All who say 12 gauge for go home, 2 hands in the air. Alright, it's sticky
12
between,
gauge, 12 gauge
in between Landmine and 12 gauge.
12 gauge. Alright. 12
That's
gauge
what we
gone.
see.
12 gauge. Is 12 gauge gone. 12 gauge
12
gone.
gauge gone?
Yo, 12 gauge gone.
Alright.
I ain't biased. I got to see what I see, and I see that 12 gauge is gone.
People,
hello, yo, you know what you voted?
People.
12 gauge gone.
People.
12 gauge is gone. Hello?
12 gauge gone, people.
12 gauge is gone. I don't know who they are, but 12 gauge is gone. I don't know who is who, but 12 gauge is gone.
Yeah.
Who is who, but 12 gauge
Yeah.
is gone. Let's go on rapid. Flip the coin, who go first?
Yeah, man, my boss. Hey, call him up a
Yo.
Landmine.
We not waste the time.
You know, yeah.
12 gauge are gone. We not waste the time. We not beg no friend.
2 for 2 now.
Tune for tune. 12 gauge are gone. I love you. Thank you. Goodbye.
2 for 2.
Hello. Tune for tune. Who? Sound Dallaz. Who gone? Who gone? What?
Away the problem.
Nobody say Landmine gone, people. The people
All
say
right.
Landmine
Turn on
gone.
the light. Turn on. All right.
Yo,
Who you be? Who you be? All right. Sound Dallaz. All right. Turn on the light. Turn on the light, people. Turn on the light. Turn on the light, please. Can you turn on the light, please? Please turn on the light. Sound Dallaz. All right. Sound Dallaz. By the show in the hands. Who says Sound Dallaz is gone? Put up your hand.
Go home.
Watch over the soul. Watch over the soul. Watch over the soul. Watch over the soul. Yo, Sound Dallaz. Come on, man. Come on, man. All right.
Boss, 2 for 2. The sub done judge. The people in them done say who for go home.
Hey, son! I don't write some the other bad.
One song.
Hey, you don't do
Boy, I didn't saw me in the love now. Here we go on. Landmine and a landmine and 12 gauge. Play one song a piece. Whoever bust the dance, gone.
Yo, people, order. Yo, so hey, me understand their sound, you know.
Hey, listen to me. We not have time for this, alright, people? So I'm gonna love about one. When I go other people dance, I don't go on so. When I go other people dance, I don't go on so. You are going. But respect King. You people come in.
Alright, people,
Let me just put one more time. Listen to me. Rest people, oh God, Jack.
Dallaz and Jugglaz we go 2 for 2. Dallaz and Jugglaz.
All right.
12 gauge out.
Come up.
Fuck out, you're fucking with people money.
Yeah, that's what he said. But yeah, Dingo and Jugglaz we go choose for choose.
Sound. Yo.
Dallaz and Jugglaz, 2 for 2. Done the fucking talking and the argument. Can nigga want to go in the yard, rasso.
The people them vote. The people vote. You come and say.
Hold on there. All who agree with the crowd, what that say? Dallaz and Jugglaz to one of the year. Watch it.
Watch it.
Let's go. One tune between the cheese sound and the 2 sound that busted good show. One tune between the cheese sound. If you want to sound them bad, one tune. Okay, don't just it now. You don't just it.
Yeah. Me a fear man. Watch ya. You know me judge first and I am putting Richie. And when I judge back I want to vote out the man. So here what now? 3 sound in a dub for dub. 10 song a piece. Sound Dallaz, Landmine and Jugglaz. 3 sound in a dub for dub. That is it. 10 song a piece. 3 sound in a dub for dub. That is it. That is it. 3 sound in a dub for dub. Let's go. We're on the time. Cool out the man. 3 song. 3 sound in a dub for dub. Let's go. Best out of 5 song. Let's go. Best out of 5 song.
When it comes to that, make the other 2 songs in play. Me the bust my fucking round and I style me. Yeah, alright, make the other 2 songs play.
Boss, then don't say Jugglaz the last round, you know. Jugglaz the end of the flip up. Jugglaz don't reach the last round, brother. Don't reach the last round, rest yourself. Brother, Jugglaz don't reach the last round, calm down. Jugglaz don't reach the last round.
Yo, fellow, Antigua, suave, easy.
That's it.
All right, people, we're gonna flip the coin. No, watch it. Hello, yo.
Two sound and it done. That's it. Jugglaz and Sound Dallaz. The rest are come off the stage. If I don't come off the stage, badness.
Hey, more police on the stage. Police officer link me right now. Police link me right now, please. Who not playing a song come off the stage? Who not playing a song come off the stage, Jack? Oh God, man.
Yo. Calm
The
down.
three sound no one play.
Calm down.
Jugglers don't reach tune for tune.
Calm down.
But the rules say a two sound for go on the man, so he not play with three sound. So that way I reach. He rightfully reach tune for tune, but there's a dispute of the next sound that's supposed to reach.
Yeah.
Sound Dallaz reach,
Yeah.
and Jugglaz, they must say
Yeah.
Landmine and 12 gauge thing. You understand?
Yo.
The three sound can't play tune for
So
tune.
now, friend. Yo, calm down. Calm down, calm down. No. Not yet. 1 second. No, 1 second. Right. We got you, boss. We got you. Yeah. No. Everybody, come off the stage. People, come off the stage. Yo, come off the stage. Come off the stage. Yo. I know it's your sound.
It's supposed to be Sound Dallaz and Jugglaz. Them have a dispute between Landmine.
Yeah, hey, the people who are Landmine and Sound Jugglaz. The people who are Landmine and Sound Jugglaz. But
Hey Billy, what's
Listen no more. That's the same thing they say. You can't, yeah man, you can't call out sound. You bring up all the man in there, and then when you call the sound, who for me too? You want me to tell you who I want to go? You say I said son? Hey, all the sound for me. Jugglaz Sound, they fucking talk. Jugglaz Sound,
People, you are going. Two sound was supposed to drop out this round. Yeah, decide 12 gauge gone. We need to decide who is the next one supposed to drop out. So make our doom over. Who play first? All who say Landmine drop out 200 in the ear. Put on my hand. All who say Sound Dallaz drop out 200 in the ear. All who say Jugglaz drop out 200 in the ear. Alright, Landmine you gone home. Sound Dallaz and Jugglaz dub for dub. Boss Melon and the man and me, Wicked Johnson nigga. Boy, me tell you, boy. Good Lord. Thank you, Jesus. King Warrior. You remember? St. John's Rumble Stonewall Dance. Do you remember? What is something name? 50 Caliber and Brave Star. Because they're ready for the war. But you will big up yourself and your boss.